In front of me is CUBOT P40, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with button navigation bar. So here we've got recent items button, home button and back button. This one is for going back. And if you would like to change it, you just have to open the settings, then enter navigation and search area. Navigation and go to system navigation. And now we can smoothly change free button navigation method to gesture navigation. To do it, just mark the switcher. And that's it. As you can see, it has been applied, so just click on the settings if you would like to customize the sensitivity. Here you can do it. But I will stay with default value. And basically all you have to do now, how you can navigate with this gesture navigation, is to slide up to go back to home screen, sorry. Then if you'd like to see recent items, you have to swipe up and hold it for a while, just like this. And here you've got all icons, and then slide right or left to go back, just like this. And that would be all. This is how you can change navigation bar in your CUBOT P40. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.